Huh. Well, we're busy. Oh, hey.
Hey.
How are you guys doing? Well, I'm LeJoe.
I'm Chris.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well.
Great. Well,
What are you doing?
we're very much hard at work coming up with the next podcast for you guys.
Is that how you build them?
Exactly.
I thought that's how you got hammered.
Load from column A, load from column B. Well, our next podcast is work-life balance. It's a topic that every single one of us has to pay close attention to. We talk about what it is, what you need to do, and maybe a couple of hot topics. But I guarantee I bring the goods. That's how awesome this is, all right? So click the links, check it out. Go to www.careerradiocast.com or go run to iTunes and look up Career Radio or just LeJoe, L-I-J-O, and you'll find it. So ready for you to download.
Is that it?
That's all I got.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I wasted all my goods for the podcast.
Way to save them. Goodbye.